What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Solana 107, up 2% on the day. See market cap 46 billion, 24 volume 5 billion. Let's hop into the charts. Excuse me. So we're bouncing from our wave 4 pullback zone that we dropped in the Discord. So I think the likely scenario is we're going to create one more higher high, potentially push up to 137. I could be wrong. Of course, I can always be wrong. If we break $95 to 50% retracement, that's the max retracement and higher likelihood this impulse is over. You're going to see a larger pullback. But as of right now, we've seen a nice reaction from our wave 4 pullback zone. I think Bitcoin will coil up a little bit more before pushing higher. And that will allow Solana to at least push to 137, which is the 61.8 target, which is the normal target for a wave 5. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking for. As you can see, the strong support here at 99 is exactly where we bounce. See all the support in this area, beautiful area to see a reaction, and that's exactly what we're seeing. So I think there's a good chance put in one more higher high, push up to about 143 maybe, and then see that larger pullback, continue to print a bearish divergence on the daily and see the larger pullback. That's what I think is likely for Sol. Looking for at least 137, possibly 147 is on the table in my opinion. All right, gang, we're currently in trades for Matic, XRP, BTC, Gala Games. If you want completely free access to my signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. Don't forget to smash the like button as well for the YouTube algorithm. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. Grab up to $5,500 in bonuses. Once you make your first deposit, just send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in 4 trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link, all links down below. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.